Heartworm disease is a preventable disease. It is very debilitating to the individual patient's cardiovascular, pulmonary, liver, and kidney functions. Therefore, it is well worth doing a yearly test and the monthly preventative to keep your dog in prime health. I'll be talking about will be heartworm disease in dogs. There is heartworm disease in cats. They're working on more advanced diagnostics for cats, and there is a monthly preventative, but for this topic we'll be dealing with canine heartworm disease. Canine heartworm disease is seen in most of the upper 50 states of America. The worst is the farther down south you go. Canine heartworm disease is a debilitating disease of the cardiovascular system of the canine population. It is spread by ordinary mosquitoes. It's extremely important every year to bring your dog in for a routine physical like we did earlier and a blood draw and do what's called an occult heartworm check, checking for antigens in the bloodstream to adult male and female heartworm and the microfilaria, which is spread by the mosquito. Once a dog comes back negative for heartworm, they go on to heartworm prevention, which is a once-a-month chewable block. Heartworm disease is a very curable disease, preventable in other words. It is well worth doing a test and the monthly preventative. The effects of heartworm disease are very debilitating to the animal, cardiovascular and liver system, as well as kidney and many other systems which I will not get into.